my opinion, 5 key to buying a digital camera. The first, budget buy. The second, the need to use. The third, feature of a digital camera. The fourth, camera with sample photo. And the last, quality guarantee. Today, digital camera is suggested for photography. Canon PowerShot G11. This is appropriate for your money don't exceed 20,000 baht. I think it's easy to carry and quality close to the SLR camera. This is all accessory. Front of the camera. And the back of the camera. This all components on the camera. The main feature of this camera effective is 10 megapixel LCD screen at 2.8 inches. Optical zoom is 140 mm. Battery is lithium ion. Weight 375 grams. It's all function. Sample photo. So it's really worth spending for Canon PowerShot G11, and now Canon company produce new product. It's Canon PowerShot G12, but I think property don't differ. Thank you.